Hi everyone, how are you? Today is the second lecture for the flow cytometry, and in this lecture I will tell you how is the software of Navios EX 2.2. It's just an overview. So if you are new on my channel, kindly like, share and subscribe and keep watching because I'm going to upload a couple of lectures for the flow cytometry. So if you click on the help and go here to check the software version, so it will tell you about the Navios flow cytometry list mode data acquisition and analysis software and the Navios EX cytometry 2.2. So this is your workspace, which is in gray color, and on the left side by default you will see one dot plot which is already coming open whenever you open the software. This is your resource explorer on the right side, and down you will find your acquisition manager. You can drag it, you can adjust the size of each of the window. So let's start from the up, where are different tabs, same like in normal windows. Go to file, go to new. From here, this is new protocol. You can create a new protocol, new panel or a new work list. If you go further down, you will find open list mode file, save list mode file data, save histogram, see all FCS format, open protocol, save protocol as. If you doesn't want to disturb your main protocol, even you can lock the protocol. And down you can print it, you can print to PDF, and the workspaces from there you can adjust and give the name of the organization, logout option, exit. On the edit, it's simple cut copy paste commands like in the Word, Microsoft Word, Office or PowerPoint, etc. In the view you will find acquisition manager. This is acquisition manager down. If not coming, you can click on it. Resource explorer, you can also open from that side. Toolbars, in the toolbars option there are different toolbars and the commands. So it's same like in the Microsoft Word or Office. You can add, delete, whatever you want. There are option of the zoom also. In the insert you will find blank flow page from file if you want to open. In the tools there are also a lot of different tools. You can publish your result to the Excel, you can open the Excel, you can open the PDF, and down is the custom dies. In the plot you have a duplicate plot option, color dot plot, histogram, density plot, prism plot, region, FCM, and the plot format option. In the analysis you have create, modify gates, modify color blind gates, modify color precedence, create a region like polygon, rectangle, quadrant, automatically elliptical, then view options, and then you can refresh, select result, absolute count calibration if you want to do the absolute count done by the machine. Flow page options, you can different options available for the flow page. You can shrink it at once. In the cytometer control you have acquisition setup. In the acquisition setup it will tell you how many lasers are there and the forward scattered, how many colors are there in your machine, labels, voltage gains, quick com, quick set. In the compensation you have your compensation matrix. Then here you can also check your status page, how many compensated values are present. You can print it, you can save it. Then you can view the log also, whatever the errors are coming in the machine, and it will save automatically. You can get the cytometer settings from the protocol or from the LMD. You have both option available. Down you have start, stop, priming option. User, you can change the password, log out. In the windows you can adjust the window size, tile special, and this is about the help. And in the system option it will tell you what is the software version, what is the build, what is the laser installed, not installed, which type of laser is there, what is the wavelength of the laser. All information you will get in the system options. and you also have a link of the online support. If your computer is connected to the internet, you can go to that use online option. And these are all the shortcuts which is available in the tabs and also here at front of you. So all these options which are mostly used, they are present at the front. Down, if you double click it, all the messages of the flow cytometer coming here, like any error message, heat fluid empty or anything, it will come here. It will tell you events total, event per second, acquiring, not acquiring. It's connected to the machine right now, it's working offline, and telling about the software is ready or not ready. I hope you like today's lecture. If you like it, kindly like, share and subscribe. Keep watching. I'm going to keep uploading some more lectures about the flow cytometer. Till then, bye.